So, who am I with today?
with Reverend
Ah,
Grace.
Mina Reverend Grace, and the Reverend Grace is with Mama Bani.
Umama uThembalihle Hazel Nonhlanga.
Mama Nontanga, Umam
Yes,
Fundis.
yes, darling.
How long have you been Umam Fundis?
I've lost count.
How many years?
I've
Yes,
lost count.
half a decade.
I'm telling you.
Ufundis Nontanga, una 40 years in ministry or
No, it
something.
was 40 years before. I suppose now it's something 48.
Ow!
Yes,
Usakhahlile!
but it's
And
been long, my angel.
you've been the first lady since.
Yes, I am a first lady.
How does like what are like how does it what does that do to you?
Do you mean the contribution or what?
Like when you are a mom fundis,
The title
you
as it
are
is.
you are doing everything. You are there. When the
As
church is saying
as
asamfune ukhona lapho,
yes, yes,
and
yes.
you take it as yours.
Yes, yes, not as mine, but
Oh,
as pastors' wives, you
mm,
always remember that when you are a helper,
oh,
you are a suitable helper, you are chosen. When everything is okay, you are all happy. When things are not okay, you are there, to
you are
say
there.
next time
Next,
everything will be okay.
and
Yes,
you
this
have
is the
always
God time. Yes.
now you are a life member.
Yes, darling, I am a life member. Yes, I am a life member. Since we're sharing these seconds, how many here in Midland? There are two, and then Durban, one. So I belong to Durban and Midland. Yes.
And that responsibility,
Yes.
it's
A
how
lot
is
of.
it? You seem to be empowered. Like somebody in your shoes would say, "Nah, darling, I'm Safuna next."
Well,
Why not?
I enjoy each and everything.
Wow, the good, the bad, the
Yes,
ugly.
exactly. I enjoy each and everything
Wow.
because in life sometimes you come with people who bring a lemon, others
Lemon.
will bring water, others will bring sugar, and if you mix that, that will be a lemon juice.
Wow.
Oh yes, oh
So,
yes.
what can you say to me?
I told you that we're grateful that you are here in Natal, young as you are, to come and explore your journey. This is the beginning of your journey. And you'll meet old ladies like us, you'll meet the young ones. And if you combine the young and the old ideas or inputs, I'm telling you, definitely, you'll never ever go wrong.
So, how must I sustain this longevity? Uyasiphazamisa umam
Hey.
Faith, umam Faith. Bazokubona eTikTok ukuthi uyasiphazamisa.
Yes,
How do
darling.
you like encourage me because mina angithi sisoft generation yamanje
Yes, yes.
uyayibona vele
Yes, you think you are soft, but your inner part is so strong. Let me tell you from
Wow,
now. Yes, you think you are soft, but
I
your
think
inner
so.
part is so strong.
You're the first
The
person to
decision,
ever.
I'm telling you, the decision you made to come to Natal, we're so honored. And we feel proud that young as you are, as a lady, to come and explore in this Natal. This is our Natal. We love it. We cannot go anywhere else. However, if you come and bring some new ideas, to us, it's a light. It's a light.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much. We are yet to have a long conversation on this. Young people need inspiration, yeah?
That's true.
And I take it
That's
from
true.
you.
That's true.
I'm not experienced, so kumele
Don't worry. Experience as long as you go. Unyaw, a step forward. You are learning something each day. Today, here we are. Here was arranged for a conference, for a district conference. Exactly, how do you feel? It's an
How do I
honor.
feel?
Yes, how do you feel?
Pressure yakhona.
Yes, the pressure is there. Exactly. That is why I say you are strong. Your
Ngivavuliwe.
inner part, it's so strong because you can. The stress, you just passed by. Huh? Here you are.
Bengazi.
And you made it. Here we are. Huh?
Wow.
Yesterday we had Bri. Huh? Oh,
Wow.
yes. Yesterday we had Bri. First of his kind. It's for the old ladies and old timers, those.
Yes.
But you managed to do that. Mama, we're so grateful. You are my baby. In fact, my grandchild.
So,
Yes.
for those who don't know, angithi bangibize umfundisi omncane.
Yes.
You are the first one to ever
Well,
say
well,
baby Rev, and I love it.
baby Ravi. Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yes, you know what? Sometimes we need not to look at your size.
Yes.
Yes, we must look at your inner part. I'll repeat myself.
Batshele mama.
Yes, you need to look at the inner part ukuthi ungashiya ikhaya ushiya abazali, you were well established lapha kade ukhona, but you left everything and then you said, I want to see this Natal. I want to learn about this Natal. I want to know if I can change anything in this Natal. So we are grateful, we love you, and just keep on doing the good things.
Thank you.
Love you.
Mwah.